Hey guys, my name's Lindsay, and today we are going to take a look at long division without using our calculator. And I know that can be kind of scary, but when you follow the pattern, it actually gets pretty comfortable and it's not as bad as it sounds. So we've got a first question up here, 1844 divided by 16. So the way that we're going to write that is put our large number, the number written first, inside of a long division sign, and the 16 goes on the outside. So we've got 1844 divided by 16. Now what we're going to do is we are just going to work through this number from left to right with our 16. So we are going to take a look at the first number, and we're going to say, does 16 go into 1? No, it can't. So I need to make this 1 bigger, and I'm going to say, okay, well, what about 16 going into 18? Can we do that? We can. 16 goes into 18 once. I'm going to put the 1 right at the end of that 18. And 1 times 16 is 16. We're going to subtract those two. 18 subtract 16 is 2. And now we're just going to move our way through this number. It doesn't matter how long the number is. We'll just continue our way down. So now we're going to take the next number over, which is this 4. We're going to drop it down. 16 into 24. And 16 goes into 24, again, only 1 time. I'm going to put a 1 up there again. 1 times 16, again, is 16. And 24, take away 16, is 8. I'm going to drop the next 4 down. So now I've got 84. And this is where this can get kind of tough. We don't have a calculator. 16, I know 16 goes into 84, but I don't know how many times because I don't have a calculator. So here's how I'm going to solve that problem. I'm just going to, on the side of my page, count by 16. So 16, add a 16, you get 32. Add 16 more, 48. 64. Oh, and then we get to 80. Sorry, check that. To 80. And then 96. So I've counted by 16s until I get to 84. And it looks like that's it. If I go past 80, I've gone too far. So 16 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would give me 80. I'm going to put a 5 up here. 5 times 16, I know, is 80. And I'm going to subtract those two, and I'm left with 4. Since there's nothing else to bring down, this 4 down here is my remainder. Remainder of 4. And I don't think there's anything wrong with doing that on the side of your page. You're trying to do long division without a calculator. Why not use that as help? Because I think that's where people struggle the most in long division. Let's take a look at another example. I've got 1500 divided by 9. So I'm going to put the 9 on the outside and the 1500 on the inside of my division sign. And I'm going to do the same thing. Can 9 go into 1? It can't, so I need to make that bigger. Can 9 go into 15? Yeah, I can. 9 into 15, that just goes once. 1 times 9 is 9. So if I subtract those, I've got 6 left over, and now I'm bringing down the 0. And now I'm in that spot again where I'm going, okay, I know 9 goes into 60, but how many times I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to count by 9s. 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, and if I go farther, I'm going to go past 60. So it looks like 9 goes into 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 9 times 6 is 60. And I get 54. I'm going to subtract those, and I get a 6 left over. I'm going to bring that last 0 down. And hey, I've dealt with this before. 9 goes into 60 6 times, so I'm going to write that again. 6 times 9 is 54. And I'm left with a remainder of 6. So hopefully that helps you understand long division a little bit better.